Sandali lang. Sandali lang. And now, Tony and Eddie, inasmuch as you have pledged once more in your intention to commit to love each other for better or for worse, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do you part, by the authority conferred upon me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, I would like to pronounce you once again husband and wife. Tony, ito ang aking signal. Sandali lang. Tony, you may now kiss your bride. Napicturean ba?
Yung matagal, yung matagal.
Sobrang namang napakabilis na.
Mabilis eh.
Second lang naman yun.
Pare, dahan-dahan pare.
Tony, you may now kiss your bride. Wala na kung mas tatagal pa doon. Isa na lang, isa na lang. Okay,
Oh,
sige.
tagalan, tagalan.
Okay, sige.
Go.
Magbilang, magbilang. Huwag ko kayong mag-away, kakakasal ka lang. Sige. You may now kiss your bride.
One!
Harap po kayo sa kanila, Tony and Eddie. Sige po sa kanila, harap po tayo. Dito po kayo atras konti. Mga kaibigan, mga panauhin, mga minamahal sa Panginoon, nais ko po ipakilala na pribilehiyo ngayong araw na ito. Muli, sina Mr. at Mrs. Antonio at Mayolita Gonzales.
Yes.
Tapos na po ang ating ceremony. Congratulations. Pwede po daw isang kiss.
Kata!
Bigay ko kay